Hey YouTube, D here. Little walkthrough at D's place. Here we're walking through my side entrance here. This is the fireplace room. I call it the good room just because it's not big enough to be a great room. But it's kind of a mess in here. As you know, I've been busy in the garage. So originally this house just had a 6-foot breezeway between the garage and the basement door over here. The previous owner actually built this all on at some point. He did all the stonework on this fireplace. Great job on the stonework. This fireplace is awesome. We're gonna come back through here. Oh, got the 55 gallon here. So there's the 55. She's really bloomed a lot in the last month. Come back through. Here's my little breakfast nook and kitchen. Kitchen needs to be redone here. Needs a repaint. Cabinets need to be stripped and painted or stained. I haven't decided yet. This stupid wallpaper border's coming down. It's a real pain in the butt. So you can see that probably took me about 4 hours to scrape that wallpaper off there, and it's still not clean. I'll come back out of the kitchen and through the breakfast nook into my pretty big living room. This is like 14 by 15 or something. Not quite sure how big it is. Then into the hallway off the living room here. And here we enter the bathroom that I remodeled. Yeah, this bathroom was just trash. Got the full walk-in shower. Marble tile floor. Marble vanity. This took me about a month and a half to redo this, along with doing all the plumbing in the basement. It was all galvanized plumbing. It was all rusted. This is the master. As you can see, it's a mess. I've been out in the garage a lot lately. Here's one of the spare bedrooms. Really good light in this house when all the curtains are open. That's my $40 drum kit I picked up a couple years ago at a garage sale. Then here is the door to the upstairs. The old green carpeting here is kind of cool. But yeah, it's not finished up here. Don't know when I'm gonna finish it. There's one of the bedrooms up here that is finished. Don't know why this hole's cut in the wall over here. Got a pretty big closet over here. Pretty big closet over here. Nice sliding doors. What they were planning on doing in here, I have no idea. It's an interesting room. And this door across the stairs here is a big giant like walk-in closet, storage area. Kind of cool. Then we go back downstairs here. And we're looking at the bathroom. And that'll be about it. My 50-inch Samsung HD TV. Oh, Super HD, 4K. Yeah.